I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a membership site area for a free membership. So let's go ahead and go to our Builders, Pixel Perfect, and New Website. And I'm just going to use a blank website so you can see everything I'm doing. So I'm going to choose blank, and I'll scroll down and choose the blank layout clean and click Edit. Here I am on a completely blank website, and I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to name my website. So what I need to do is first make sure that I identify this as my default layout. So I'm going to go to Pages. There's my default layout. I'm going to call this the unprotected area. So I'm going to go into the layout settings, and I'm going to call it unprotected. And I'm doing that so that every time you see me use that particular layout, you know that's unprotected. It's not restricted at all. So I'm going to click Save. And now I need to create a membership layout. These are going to have the pages that are protected so that only people that have permission to get in will be able to see those pages. So I'm just going to create a new layout. So I'm going to go back to my layout area. There's my unprotected area. I'm going to add a layout. And it's just going to be a blank page. And I'm going to name this layout Protected Area 1 and confirm. This is our protected area. It's not protected yet. It's just a plain layout right now, but we're going to protect it. So let's go ahead and first go back to our home page. And I'm going to just call this home page. So I'm going to put some text on here to identify it as home page. And now I'm going to go ahead and think about what I'm creating for my people. They're going to be able to create a username and password, and they're going to be able to access this protected area for free. So the first thing I need to do is make sure they have a way of getting into the area. So I need a registration and a login button. So I'm going to go to plus and buttons. And here's all my buttons. I'm going to click login button here, and I'm going to choose just this one right here. And this is a login register button. I'll put it right up there in the header so that every single page in this layout will have that button on there. And then I'm going to right click on here, and I'm going to go to action after they log in, and I'm going to allow them to go to that other page, not the home page, but the home one, which is in the protected area. So when they log in, they'll get access to that area. So I'm going to click that and click OK. I've done quite a few things, so I'm going to click Save and then Save again. So what that's going to do is when they log in, they're going to get access. It's going to send them straight to that first page in the protected area. I can also have an action after they log out. So if I choose that one, I choose page, I can choose that when they log out, they go back to the home page and then click OK. And again, that's a pretty big change. So I'm going to save and then save again. And now we need to go ahead and decide to restrict our area. And we need to set up a restricted area setting. So I'm going to go to my double gears. I'm going to go to restricted area setting. And I don't have anything set up yet, but this is like setting up the lock. So I'm going to add a lock by clicking Add Restricted Area. And this is going to be the free membership. And they can register by putting in their email and their password. I can automatically grant them access if they register, or I can release it if they confirm their email list. I'm going to go ahead and choose Automatically Grant to the Restricted Area. That way, they put in their name and their email, they're going to automatically get an account, and they'll be able to see that area. Right here, you can set the initial page. I've already done that on the login button, so I'm not going to do that again. And then right here, you can integrate Mailing Boss by putting in your public and private key if it's not put in there already. And then you choose which list you want them to be a part of by checking the list, and then you click Save. So now we've set it up so that we've got a lock, and now we need to apply that lock to the layout. So I'm going to go to my page icon, I'm going to go to my protected area, and I'm going to click the arrow. And right here, I need to apply the lock to this layout. So I'm going to click the padlock. There's my free membership lock. I'm going to click on it to apply it and confirm. And now you see that it's check marked. The only way to get into this area now is to have a username and password to get in. So let's go ahead and name this page Protected Area, and I'm going to click Save and Save again. And now it should be all set up so that all I have to do is register and I get access to this area. So let's go ahead and publish our website and test it out. So here we are on the live site, and I'm going to go ahead and go to Login and Register. And instead of logging in, I'm going to click the Register button, and I'm going to create a registration email and name. So I've got my email, my name, and my password in there, and I'm going to click Register. And what this should do is it should register an account in the background and then send me immediately to the protected area to be able to access that page. And now we're logged in and we've gotten into the protected area. So that's how you create a free membership area inside the Pixel Perfect website builder in Builderall.